Steve, the Department of Corrections has adopted a new policy. Witnesses will no longer be able to see inmates brought into the death chamber. ACLU Virginia says eyebrows were raised by the timing. These changes were made after critiques were raised about the recent execution of Ricky Gray. The ACLU of Virginia still has questions about the January execution of convicted murderer Ricky Gray.
He spent 33 minutes behind the curtain, and no one knows what happened during that time.
Bill Farah of the ACLU says that warrants an independent investigation, but the Department of Corrections says the lethal injection went smoothly and that the delay was simply because of difficulty inserting the IV. Farah says he's also concerned that after Gray was executed, the death penalty manual was revised and certain transparency measures got cut.
We have secrets upon secrets upon secrets with Virginia's process of executing people in the state, and it needs to stop.
The ACLU, which is opposed to capital punishment, has also challenged a recent change in Virginia that allows secret compounding pharmacies to make lethal injection cocktails. Lawmakers and the governor approved the privacy provision, given fewer companies have been willing to be on record making the drugs.
They're colluding toward more secrecy.
In response to these critiques, the Department of Corrections says its manual is updated periodically to ensure best practices. Spokeswoman Lisa Kinney says waiting to open the curtain until after the IV line is placed reduces stress on staff. She says this brings Virginia in line with other states. There are 6 inmates currently on death row in Virginia. Ivan Telegus is set to be executed next month. We reached out to the governor's office today to see the administration's response. We have not received a response in time for our broadcast. Alana Austin, NBC 29 News at 5.